This armchair is so comfy and stylish. I absolutely love it.
This video was generated using the Google NanoBanana image model. The image you see here is the one I used to create it, and then I transformed that image into a video with the help of Google Veo3. You can create videos like this too, and they're especially useful for promoting your small business, building marketing content, or simply making your social media more engaging. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to automate the entire video creation process using the n8n automation tool. We'll go step by step, starting from form submission, all the way to generating a fully automated video. This is the automation workflow we'll be using, and I've added the download link for it in the description below. You can follow along or try it out yourself as we go through each step. So, let's start with the form submission node. This form mainly has two fields. One is the description field, and the other is an image upload field. Now, once we upload the image, it gets stored directly in Google Drive with the help of the Google Drive node. Next, we've added an AI model that analyzes the uploaded image in detail. It scans for objects, text, colors, styles, and other key visual elements to understand the full context of the image. After the analysis, we move to the Create Image prompt node. Here, we define two important things: the prompt, which tells the AI what kind of image we want to generate, and the system message, which gives additional guidance on how the image should be created. Together, these instructions help the AI generate a completely new image that's inspired by the original one. For generating the image, we're using the NanoBanana API. In this step, you'll need to provide a few key details: your API credentials, the image generation prompt that tells the AI what kind of image to create, and the image URL. Once everything is set up and executed, the API will start processing. It usually takes about 1 to 2 minutes to fully generate the image, depending on the complexity of the request. After the image has been created, we can then retrieve it using the Get API. All we need to do is pass in the request I did, and the system will return the final generated image, ready to be used in the next steps of the workflow. The next step is to generate a video from the image. For this, we use an AI agent node. Just like before, we provide two key inputs: the prompt, which describes what kind of video we want to create, and the system message, which gives extra instructions to guide the AI during the generation process. Once the details are ready, the video generation request is sent to the Veo3 API. Along with the prompt, we also include the image URL, so the AI can use that image as the base for creating the video. In terms of setup, the authentication works almost the same way as with the Veo3 AI API. So if you've already configured that, this part will feel very familiar. Since video generation can take a little time, we don't get the result instantly. Instead, the workflow first checks the status of the request. If the video is still being processed, the workflow simply loops back and retries the request after a short interval. This way, it keeps checking until the video is fully ready. Once the video generation is complete, we can then use the request ID to make an API call and download the final video. At this point, the workflow delivers the fully generated video, which we can view, share, or use in the next step of our process. And that's it. In this video, we walk through the full workflow, starting from the form submission with a description and image, uploading it to Google Drive, analyzing it with an AI model, creating an image prompt, and generating a new image using the NanoBanana API. Then we went a step further by using the Veo3 API to turn that image into a video, and we saw how the workflow checks the status until the video is ready to download. So now you know how to go from a simple form submission all the way to a fully generated video using different APIs in one smooth workflow. For more details, check out the Veo3 AI API documentation. Thanks for watching, and I hope this inspires you to build your own AI-powered workflows. Please subscribe and like to support me in creating more free content like this.